Hello everyone, welcome to this creative journey where we will dive into the art of crafting Chinese-style paper lanterns. Today, I will guide you through the steps of making your very own Chinese paper lantern, a delightful and symbolic tradition in Chinese festivities. So let's grab our materials and get ready to illuminate the room with vibrant colors and cultural richness of these beautiful lanterns.
Let's talk about the essential parts of a lantern. First, we've got the handle part, which is the top part that works as a handle for carrying or hanging. It's not just practical, but makes our lantern look good too. Next is the inner part and tassel, the heart of a lantern. This is the inside structure that gives our lantern its shape. We're also adding a pretty tassel that hangs at the bottom, making our lantern even more special. Now let's see the outer layer, the outer cover with red stripe decoration. It's the part that goes around the inside, making our lantern's main body unique. It's got lovely red stripes that make our lantern look colorful and charming. Now let's go through this crafting lantern step by step. First, let's begin by creating a tassel and handle for the lantern. We will need a piece of yellow paper. Cut a strip about 1 inch wide. Then we will cut the bottom with small strips around 2 inches long for a little extra flair. This will become our handle and decorative tassel. Moving on to the second step, connect the yellow paper left and right with tape, forming a cylinder. For a third step, grab another piece of paper, fold it hot dog style, leaving an inch at the top. Then cut the paper into long strips. These strips will become the outer layer of our lantern. In the fourth step, gently attach the outer cover to the inner part of the lantern. Imagine wrapping it up like a cozy blanket, making sure it fits snugly. For our final step, let's use the tape to join the handle and the main body of the lantern. This brings everything together, completing your lovely lantern. There you have it. Your creation is now ready to light up the room. May your lantern bring joy and warmth wherever it goes.